1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, Providence students. I am now going to give a lesson on meter, or how you count music in order to get the pulse, because the pulse of music is very important. And since we are only going to be able to do listening exercises in music, this is one of the most important ones where you could count the pulse or get the meter. The meter is the top number of the time signature and it gives the pulse. The one that I give just now was a mix meter. Notice how I count the music: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But yes, it's 8, but the way the music is broken up, it's not broken up evenly like 4 and 4. It's broken up to 3 and 5. And this is one of the aspects of having meter. Meter actually gives you the exact pulse. The pulse is important if you're going to dance to it or if you're going to have group music. The pulse is extremely important. So even though, yes, you could say, well, it's counting in 8, right, which is an even number, but that's not how the pulse goes. So right now, we're going to learn how to do the various pulses of music. Let's start with the most simplest pulse, which is 4/4, or counting in 4s, because you call that common time. Counting in 4s is the most simplest way of the pulse and the most popular pulse in music. Okay, so I'm going to give another pulse. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the most commonest pulse in music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Most music that you're going to listen to will have this type of pulse. All right. I could give you other examples of the same thing. Listen to this pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that the beat is different, but the pulse is the same. It's still a very common pulse to count in 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now listen to this other pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that's also the same 4, with a different beat. All right, and we could do it slowly. We could have a slow 4. All right, so this is a slow 4. Two, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could have it fast or we could have it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we could even also have a Latin type of 4/4, which will still give the pulse. It may have a clave. Now, the Latin music, we love to hear the clave. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. But even though it has the clave, which is in between a kind of rhythm that's inside the 4/4, it still counts in 4. We'll give an example of this as well. You hear that? One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Are you hearing the clapping? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1. Okay, here better here. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. And here the click, 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 click. 1, 2, 3. You can hear the click. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. But it says 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice that you could hear the click using a talk, for want of a better word. Click, 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 click. But if you hear the pulse of the music, is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we still have the correct pulse, the 4/4 pulse, and this is the most common pulse in music. Now let's go on to something that could confuse you, which is cut time, or 2/2, which is the same 4/4 beat, but it's going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our own calypso music is in cut time. Alright? And how we count it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the example here. A little slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the stress on the 1 and the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we also have another one that we love to listen to, which is reggae. Reggae also has that kind of pulse, but it's a little bit more, it's not as strong, but you could hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so that is what you call a reggae pulse. But you hear the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one that is not so easy to get, I'll try to play a different one. Alright, it is a little bit more difficult to hear it, but as I said, it's not a 4/4. It's called cut time, or à l'abbrevié 2/2, and it counts in 4s, but you're hearing the stress on the 1 and on the 3. Let's listen to this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see if we can get some more cut time pulses here. See if we can get this one. And that beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so I hope you could able to work out the difference between the 4/4 pulse, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this other pulse, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the cut time pulse. Now moving on, We go to a simple one. This is 2/4, or counting in twos. Alright, this is another very simple pulse, and it sounds more or less, if you could think of it as a march. Alright, and this is a simple march-like rhythm. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. You hearing this? This is not counting in fours. This is not counting in cut time, but this is 2. And it's like a march. Simple march. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Next one. You hear that 1, 2 pulse. Now listen to this one. Listen to this one. One, two, 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 one, two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's a kind of like a polka. Some people call it a polka rhythm. And you have a next type. Listen to this one. This is a direct march. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And my last example of a 2/4, alright, is disco. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Or 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Left, right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright? So that's not 4/4. That's not cut time or à la brevet. And that is what they call 2/4. Now we're going on to counted in trees. Trees should be simple enough. It's more like a waltz rhythm. So I'm going to give you that kind of rhythm now. Alright, listen to this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now maybe that's not really the best example of a 3/4, because you can also break up a 3/4 into 6. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this is where it could get very ticklish. The difference between a 6/8 and a 3/4 is difficult sometimes. All right, so I'm not going to tell you it's not difficult. There are minor differences between a 6/8 and 3/4. In fact, some 6/8s can be treated as a 3/4, and some 3/4s can be treated as a 6/8. All right, so this is a complex one, but I don't think they'll give you something too complex as CXC. So for CXC, they might give you something like this one. This is more direct. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. The hand is strong. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On this one. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The hand is strong. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is more like 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, another good example of a 3/4 is like this one. Listen to it. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The strong 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, another example is this one. Now there is something called like a Viennese waltz, which can confuse you. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds something like the lilt of a 6/8. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. And if it's taken a little faster, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? But I don't want you to confuse it with things like this. Alright, this is a little different. So let me play this one for you. We're now going into 6/8, which sounds somewhat like a 3/4, but you're hearing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hallelujah, right? If you know that song, Hallelujah, Hallelujah. It's almost it's a 6/8, and it has that beat. Other examples of 6/8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright? And we have this one. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And that's another 6/8 Okay? So those are all the different pulses, more or less using music. And then we have the mixed meter, which I started with. Mixed meter is a mixture of one of the basic ones, right? Like the first one I did was a mixture of 3 and 5. Sometimes you could have a mixture of 5 and 4, or 3 and 2, 6 and 4, different things like that. And this is what they call mixed meter. But generally, those are all the meters. So I will also send you some links to YouTube, which also will try to describe different forms of meter, and they might show you some symbols of the different meters. And then afterwards, I would like you to try my test. Good luck, everyone. Bye.